Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your music and Instagram post. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to show you how you can apply music in your Instagram post. So you just have to tap on plus icon and add a post. After adding a post, tap on next. Now you just have to tap on music option. And here you have to select a music. Let's put tap on done. Now you have to tap on next and type a little bit caption and tap on next and tap on share to Instagram only. So after opening up the post, you have to tap on three dots top right corner. Now you have to tap on edit. So in the edit section, there is no option from my side, but your side you will be see an option of change music Instagram. So you just have to tap on it and you can easily change Instagram music from your post. But right now this is not available in my country. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.